1. To brew 8 cups of American coffee, fill the water tank with water for 8 servings. The machine will stop automatically once all the water is used. 2. To brew 4 cups of American coffee, fill the water tank with water for 4 servings. The machine will stop automatically once all the water is used. Pour the amount of water you pre-measured into the water tank. To ensure your coffee is always freshly ground, add only the amount of coffee beans you need. We recommend emptying the bean box every 2-3 days. Press the cup selection button on the control panel to match the amount of water you added. Select your preferred coffee strength, then press the power button to start brewing. You can press the power button again to pause the process at any time. The machine will beep 3 times when brewing is complete. It will automatically keep the coffee warm on the warming plate for 2 hours. Do not touch the heating plate while the machine is in use or just after brewing, as it will be hot and may cause burns. You deserve a better experience.